Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be making a low carb meal. Come on with me guys. Okay, so let me tell you the ingredients we're going to be using. So if you can find this at your store, it's called Miracle Noodle and it's organic. Okay, and it's in the spaghetti form. I don't know if you could see it. This literally has one net carb, literally one net carb. Then we're going to be adding a little bit of cabbage because I absolutely love cabbage. I already diced up some onion, and then we have some chicken right here that I'm going to dice up in smaller cubes, and then I just have some vegetable oil. So this is where we're going to start. I'm going to finish cutting this up, but first let me go ahead and tell you about quick and easy meals. So this is an open collaboration, quick and easy meals, and that's what that means. Now, I'm going to be making a low-carb dish, but what's exciting is who's hosting this collab? Well, it's Simply Grace Lifestyle, which is my second channel. My main channel is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And Jean Home Decor and More is hosting this collaboration with me. And today we have a special guest, and that's Jennifer at home. And I am so excited that she's with us. And so make sure and show her some love, guys. She has an amazing channel. Now I'm gonna go ahead. And also Jean Home Decor. Let's not forget Jean. Guys, you got to go over to Jean's channel too. All of us kind of do home decor lifestyle channels. So that's what's amazing. And I did slice, this is one chicken cutlet, guys. I got all this chicken. But I want to cut this in smaller, like little squares. So I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting this. Okay. I'm gonna put that in the pan. I'm gonna finish cutting this, guys, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I put the diced chicken inside the pan, and I am gonna put maybe a tablespoon, okay, of the oil. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. I put that on number 8. This gets dropped in last. So let's go ahead and add some onion. And I'm going to cook this up. You want it all to cook together. All right. All right, so this is going to cook down, so it's going to seem like a lot, but it's not. I just want to take these big pieces out of there. Okay. So let's go ahead and start this on high. Okay, let me go ahead and throw this out. Okay, so now that we got the chicken, the onion, the cabbage inside of here, we want to do some salt. Now you can salt and pepper to taste, guys, okay? Because some of us don't eat salt, or we use the dash. And then we're going to use some black pepper. Season this exactly the way you like. Some people like spicy. I don't think I'm doing this one spicy. And we're going to add some garlic. Okay. And then we're going to add some Italian seasoning. And we're going to add some Knorr. So I absolutely love using Knorr chicken bouillon. This is the powder. Stir this around. Now I always keep some water next to me in case I need to add a little bit of water. see, you could already see it cooking down, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and lower this, add a little bit of water because we're getting ready to add some Nor. Now I'm gonna say about a tablespoon. Okay. And add some more water. I'm gonna mix this up and then we're gonna cover it for about, I guess I'll check it in about 10 minutes to 15 minutes because the chicken has to cook all the way through. And then we wanna make some more sauce. We wanna taste it for seasoning. And then this gets dropped in last, like I said, but we definitely need to get that chicken cooked all the way and probably get it a little soft. I don't know, guys. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna come back and check it in about 15 minutes and then we'll continue. All right, so this is what it's looking like. Doesn't that look so yummy? Now I'm gonna taste it right now just to make sure that we're good on seasoning before I drop these noodles in there. Okay, the chicken is nice and cooked. Looks so yummy. Now here's what I'm gonna do though, because Matthew doesn't like these noodles. I'm gonna take out my portion, and my portion is gonna have the noodles, and that's what we're gonna do the reveal on. He's gonna have a cream sauce with his. Oh my goodness, it's delicious. All right. So I guess I can use more of this because it is a tiny bit salty. So let's turn around. Let me see if I have to drain this. Oh, it's in a bag. So, okay, so it's in its own bag. This is what it looks like, guys. And I am going to get a bowl. I'm going to do a big bowl, so let's see. All right, we'll do the glass bowl so you guys can see. Okay. And this is okay for me, guys, but Matthew probably won't like the texture of this. He doesn't usually like the texture of it. Okay. So we're gonna put it in the bowl. I am gonna go ahead and squeeze some of that water out. I'll be right back. All right, so look at this. This is what it looks like. And I'm okay with this consistency. He may not be. And you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and cook his meal separate. So I'm gonna see, because I don't know if these noodles are gonna absorb. All right, so let me bring you closer. This is the first time I'm using the Miracle noodles. So remember, this only has like one carb. One carb. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it all in there. All right, and I'm gonna make Matthew separately. But this is a 1 carb meal. I'm so excited to try. Oh my goodness, the sauce tastes amazing. Okay. I am so excited. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this all up in there. Remember, guys, it's called Miracle Noodle. It's organic and it's in, wait a minute, guys. Where are you? Okay, so it's in the organic section, or it's organic, so wherever that is in your store. Okay, so I'm only gonna have a little bit right now and I'll eat with my son later. So I'm just gonna put enough. And oh my goodness, doesn't that look amazing, guys? And I'm gonna leave it sit so it can absorb. All right, can't help myself. So I'm gonna put this cover over this, and then I can eat this later with my son. And this is what I'm gonna have now. I'm so excited. So this looks absolutely amazing. Make sure and check your grocery store to see if they carry the miracle noodle. If they don't, I'm pretty sure they have an alternative one, but this looks amazing. 1 carb, I'm happy, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. And Jennifer, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I love having you here on Quick and Easy Meals, and thank you for being my special guest. Amen. Bye.